To make Kokum Sherbat, I am using dried Kokum. I am taking about 4 to 5 pieces of dried Kokum and adding it into a bowl. Into this I am adding in half cup hot water. I am allowing the Kokum to soak in the hot water. If you are soaking the Kokum overnight in water, you can avoid soaking it in hot water. Kokum is also known as Garcinia indica. It is rich in antioxidants, it is low in calorie and rich in fiber. Kokum contains a compound called HCA, which acts as an appetite suppressant. It's a natural coolant for the body. It is a powerhouse of rich nutrients. It's packed with many essential vitamins. Kokum helps to reduce acidity and helps to maintain good digestive health. Once it has cooled down slightly, I'm just giving it a good mix with my hand like this. Since it has been soaked in hot water, the Kokum will get easily mashed. Strain the soaked Kokum into a cup and then again add some water into the strained Kokum pulp and again strain it to the cup. Press down to extract the maximum juice. And now I have half cup of Kokum juice. This way you can extract the maximum juice out of the soaked Kokum rinse. Into this I am squeezing in half a lemon, pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1/4 teaspoon black salt also known as Kala Namak, 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Give this a good mix. You can check salt at this stage. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in pink Himalayan salt as per your taste. Pour the prepared Kokum juice into a serving glass. Fill the rest of the glass with ice cold water. I'm adding in 1 to 2 tablespoons of the soaked sabja seeds. Give it a good mix. Garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves. And my super healthy Kokum Sherbat is ready to serve.